I've got another Amazon wig find for you guys, so let's get into it. This wig is another high quality synthetic wig. It has a natural feel and texture to it, which I love, and I tried it in 3 colors and let you know a little bit of what I did to style. The information to this wig and all the products that I'm going to talk about will be in the description of this video and in the comment section. Let's get started. So I told y'all I had this in 3 different colors. I'm wearing a different color here, which we'll talk about later in the video, but let's jump into this first blonde color. Jumping right into the details, this is a synthetic wig and it's an HD lace front wig as well. The length on this wig is supposed to be medium, and this wig is supposed to have pre-plucked Swiss lace. Like I told you guys in the intro, it does give a natural look and feel as far as the texture, which I really like. And this one came styled as a middle part, and I'm usually not super into middle parts, but I think it looks really good on this wig. Now the color on this first wig is really interesting. It's a beautiful mix of blonde. I feel like they blended the color of this wig so well, you guys, and it just looks so good with this style, especially with it as a middle part. So this is the color drff Honey Brown, and this is one of my favorite colors in this wig. My second favorite color is the natural colors, which is like the 1Bs and the 2s and stuff like that. But this blonde mix, so good, and I feel like it's so unique in this type of style. This is a lace front wig, so I did end up going in and cutting the lace. It does come with 3 combs in this unit. To style, I added hair wax, and I also added some product to the parting space. The hair wax helped to lay the hair down, especially any flyaways, and then adding that product to the parting space really helped it look more natural, in my opinion. So this is the wig Outre Nisha Soft and Natural 206. I feel like this style is such a great style, you guys. Very high quality in my opinion for a synthetic wig. I think this looks great in my opinion for a synthetic wig, and I could definitely see myself using this as an everyday wig, especially in a natural color. Again, the information to this wig and the products that I talked about will be in the description and the comment section of this video if you guys are interested. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the comments and in my next video very soon. Bye!